I don't have an exam. I didn't have exam today. That's why I would have had to take first and second period. I don't have to go on Friday. I didn't have to go today. Tomorrow I'm going to 9:30.
Go to bird church.
Wednesday.
I was supposed to go to 9:30. I was supposed to go tomorrow at 9:30.
No, I gotta go my normal time in the morning, and then I'll leave at 9:30.
See, Wednesday I don't have no exam, so I'm gonna take my Friday exam on Wednesday. Oh,
Okay, go.
Tall glass of milk.
Man, they got everything.
I wonder if it's the same one from last time.
Everybody knows what I get. Green beans, tomatoes, What is a puzzle? What?
Mommy, I think I left my money at home. I just want to take my phone.
My phone is at 48%.
Bo, really? You're supposed to be on my side.
My phone's at 48%.
Mom, I'm 15 though. I don't get paid. When did my retard give me all that? Look, I was waiting for you. You had already discussed what you were going to do. He was like, oh, wait for her to say something. You already know she's sorry, guys.
All I heard was something about
Better when I
I'm gonna stop.
I really don't know. Like, that's what they're saying. It's so stupid. Something you can't come on. That's all last night. I was just thinking like, they're dumb. It's really dumb.
I gotta my phone
Ah, man.
Oh, we gotta be 10 and under.
10 and under for what? That?
I've never liked coloring. I've never been an art person.
Nah,
So,
I really haven't either.
and I have a lot of markers and stuff and coloring, but not really.
Whatever.
That is usually what I say.
I'm going this side. After that.
Then I started to like black people. Naturally black people. Need to wash these tulips. Yeah. Oh, I thought you said that did my hair. Exactly. You look like you got some Indian, y'all. You ain't all black. Oh, man.
What happened?
Oh, man.
What happened?
I was like, you're a girl, you got some Indian in you. Mama was that because she was talking about you got the face.
What happened?
You have to tell the lady like we around a lot of people because she'll laugh. She'll be like, oh my gosh.
But see, she didn't see it yesterday. So then she didn't see it yesterday. It's like this to her.
Oh, I didn't even think about your hair was yesterday. Oh. I like how you just knocked it out.
Just snap back, bounce back quick. Yeah, she said, oh, mama, that looks so good. And she told her, she's like, and I was like, okay, she's like, she's like,
like you trying to, oh, let me take this out the ponytail.
I was trying to touch it. It was like, it was so fun. Like, I went to the gym something, right? And I went in and got all the chair. That ball wouldn't sit right. So she came in, it was a big compliment. So she came in and put the ball like right here, but it was cooked. So then it was with a other stick like this. And she was like, oh my God, what? And I was like, oh no, it's just mine. I can pop it back on. And when I did like that, she's like, I was like, I know, I just take it back out. And then she's like, she got to do it again.
It's so funny, like it's funny how your hair look like the hair. I didn't think nothing about your hair yesterday. I saw you said it, I was like, oh, your hair looks really like an Indian. And then you lick that up. No, that's not Indian.
What that is? When I did that 9-hour drive, when I first came out, it is so pretty, true, and it's shining. Yeah. So it's like, about 4 or 5 hours.
Can I be my family baby? My iPad, go watch me a movie. Not a fan.
Like, you really should be doing
What the world?
I know you kind of like looking for the word. Are you ready? Wait,
what y'all doing? What are y'all trying to do? Oh, I'm gonna do that. I'm doing that with y'all.
Okay.
Bro, I'm saying that all y'all. One word. Go. Go, so let's go. I already got soccer. Soccer's not even on here.
You already heard soccer. Baby, you must have just really here, brother.
Yeah, this actually is pretty hard. I found ball.
That's what I read to you. And y'all both read something. You gotta circle the
I don't know what I want. No, Mama, it's the pictures out here. For this one, it's the pictures out here. For this one,
I found
it's the
ball.
pictures in here.
I found dad. I'm just like,
Okay, now it's Or you gotta find all the words. I just found all the words. That's what you have.
Yeah, I messed up now. Now I can't find one word.
I found a basketball. Cheerleader.
Find the first C across.
Does any?
Go down.
I'm gonna give you that.
First in the
Cow.
What? Is that? Where's that? Where is it? I found it.
Who had the water?
I had to start my lemonade right there. I'll take the water. Here you want?
Thank you.
Just put it in right there. Strawberry lemonade.
Oh, look at it. I should order that.
I try to order them everywhere.
I got
People just gonna sell
soccer,
it. Or they try to do
basketball, and
no
basketball.
free refills. It makes me very, very upset. Because I love strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade.
How do you just say that one? Strawberry. Oh, it's a plate of lemon. Tea, you could be roasted. Yeah. When you gonna get them? Do you know?
Huh?
You get braces?
He made us get braces.
I get them. We still got time for the baby teeth. Smile. Let me see. I'm just trying to see your baby teeth. I don't care. You know what? We're not gonna punch you. When we get to the house, girl, you're getting a butt whooping. Please believe. I ain't playing with you.
Where y'all drink?
And some lemon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What did you get?
I do. What was that that we supposed to get?
This?
We get that.
Oh, okay.
Two of that. She cheat.
So did you cheat?
You cheat. What is wrong with you? Tasha come out every day.
What about basketball?
Oh, I got real strawberries in it. Stay on your side of the table. How about that?
Okay, now we're starting.
I want to laugh.
I tried to find a kid to catch up.
Hell, man. I really wanted to say hell.
Oh, you look good over here. You trying to be all uncomfortable?
Oh yeah, we do.
He's still a work in progress.
Lemonade has pizza. And bye.